If your new font is not showing up in CapCut, don't worry, this is usually a very simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the font not showing in CapCut, especially after installing a new font on PC. This is one of the most common issues creators run into, and the good news is you can usually solve it in just a minute or two. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tips. Let's get into it. First, it's important to know why this happens. If you just downloaded and installed a font file, CapCut will not always detect it while the software is already running. That means even though the font is installed on your computer, CapCut may not refresh the font list until the app is fully closed and reopened. So the first thing you want to do is completely exit CapCut. On PC, do not just minimize the window, you need to close the CapCut application entirely. If CapCut is still running in the background, it may keep using the old font cache and your new font still won't appear. Check the system tray and make sure CapCut is not hidden there. If you see it running, right-click and exit it fully. If it still seems open, go to your Windows Task Manager and end the task for CapCut. This makes sure every background process is closed properly. Sometimes the app looks closed, but it is actually still running in the background, and that can prevent the new font from loading. Once CapCut is completely closed, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. When CapCut starts again, it should refresh the font list and detect the newly installed font. After that, go back into your text tool and check the font section. Your new font should now appear in the list and be ready to use. If you still do not see it right away, try restarting your computer once. A quick reboot can help Windows finish registering the font and clear any app cache that is holding the old font list. After restarting, open CapCut again and check one more time. Also make sure the font file was installed correctly on your system before opening CapCut. If the font is corrupted or not properly installed, it will not appear in any software, not just CapCut. So if the restart does not help, double check that the font is actually available in your Windows font settings. The main fix here is simple, fully close CapCut, make sure there are no background processes still running, and then reopen it so the font list refreshes. In most cases, that is all you need to do. If this video helped you fix the font not showing in CapCut, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.